Hi there and welcome to WB Fine Woodworking. I'm Don. I suddenly realized that it's been over a month since I did a shop update. So today is October 2nd and I thought I'd give you an update of what's been going on in the shop and what my plans are for the near future. As one of you pointed out in my last video, I've been doing a lot with mallets lately. I finally finished the mallet holder for my James King Fine Woodworking Thor's mallets. I have all three sizes of the mallets that James makes, and the holder sits right here on my tool wall. It's going to be very handy in the shop to have all three sizes right here at my fingertips, and I'll know where they are. Building this mallet holder is a little trickier than it looks. First of all, I had to make sure that the spacing was correct so that the mallets didn't come off the edges here, and that there was enough space between the cleats that I put on for the handles. I also made sure that I had a little lip here, and since James puts a 45 degree at the bottom of his mallets, I made sure that that was 45 degrees as well, so the mallets sit nicely onto the holder. So again, this was a lot of fun to build, but it took a little longer than I thought it was going to take. But now I have a nice place for all three of my Thor's mallets from James King Fine Woodworking. I hope you've had a chance to look at my two videos on handy tools that I put out in the last couple of weeks. The first was on my V drill guide. It's a real handy tool to have, and yes, you could probably make another one, but I like the fact that it's made out of steel and it really supports the drill as it goes through the piece of wood. The other was my bench dog push lock system that I have on my table saw. Remember, if you've watched that video, down in the comments you can leave links to your version of that you've made. I'd love to see those, and I'm sure others would like to see them as well. One of the things you need to understand with my tool reviews or my tool suggestions is that I have absolutely no affiliation for any company that makes the tools or sells the tools. They're just tools that I use on a regular basis here in the workshop. I really don't have any other reason to show them to you. I just think they're handy tools that I've enjoyed using in my wood shop. One reason I decided to do this shop update is to let you know that some of my projects will be put on hold for a while. I heard from my cardiologist the other day that he wants to do some minor surgery, so I won't be able to lift anything over 5 pounds for quite a while until I get all healed up from that. And I also discovered that my wife wants me to do some Christmas presents. That was one of the trade-offs of spending a couple of extra $100 on the lathe than I had planned on spending. And so I'll be making some Christmas presents. Obviously, I'm not going to do a video on that until after Christmas. I will be putting out some other videos, but nothing as far as a big project or getting back to my workbench. I'd like to give a big thumbs up to all my subscribers and viewers. Thank you very much. Without you, I wouldn't be doing this, and I greatly appreciate the fact that you've subscribed and are viewing my videos. I'd like to challenge you, though, to share your favorite video or videos with someone else that you know that's involved in woodworking, or a group of woodworkers on Facebook or Instagram or somewhere else, so that we can increase the number of viewers and subscribers to this channel. I greatly appreciate all of you, and thank you very much for watching.